Karma Guy here. Check out this 2013 Volkswagen GTI hatchback, a Georgia local with low miles for its age. It's got a full dealer service history and current Georgia emissions, ensuring it's road ready. This GTI is a dealer certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Peace of mind is key with this car. We've included a recent computer scan showing a clean bill of health, no pending trouble codes, no dash lights, and all 9 monitors are complete. It's ready to roll.